the vibe. She feeling the vibe. She want me inside. She want me inside. She want me inside. She feeling the vibe.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shodney, and I'm back with another one. And today we came with a makeup tutorial featuring one of my glitters. This is my newest product from Shot with Shodney in the shade Secret. Yeah, we about to finally put those glitters to the test, baby. I came out with 20 shades in total. This is all 20 shades, all different type of colors. I hand mixed them myself, so if you are interested, visit my site at shopwithshodney.com. So today I wanted to create a look that I could use one of the green glitters because I just really wanted to use a green glitter today for some reason. So on my eyes, I did use the Morphe 25L Living Color Palettes. Let me show you what it looks like. Mine is jacked up a little bit because my babies like to play my makeup. So, yep, so that's what I used, and I only used this. Matter of fact, no, I did use one color out of the Morphe and James Charles palette. But for the most part, this is the palette I used today. I also used my glitter on the inner corner. This is what it looks like. I did my foundation off camera, but I have not applied concealer or contour or anything. I just put the foundation on and I hopped right on camera. So let's get into doing this other eye. Alright, you guys, so first thing first, I'm going to go in with my Morphe concealer to carve out my eyebrows and prime my eyelids. Okay, so going into the Morphe 25L palette, the first color I am taking is the shade called Truth. It is a dark purple eggplant color. Then I wanted to take the time to show you guys these brushes I have bought from AliExpress. I think I only paid like $6 for them, and so far I have been loving them. Then I'm going to go in with the next color in my palette. I am taking the color Sexuality. That is a bright hot pink color to blend out the purple shade. Okay, so here we go again. I am cutting my crease using that Morphe concealer as well as my Wet n Wild concealer brush. Okay, so here you guys are going to see me going with the Morphe and James Charles palette. I'm taking the darkest blue in that palette to put on my outer corner near that purple so it can deepen it up a little bit. So right after that, I went right back into the Morphe 25L palette and I used the color Parade. That is a bright teal color. I'm going to pack that right next to that dark blue shade. And then I went right back in with the color Activism. That is a shimmer green color. Alright, you guys, so here you're going to see me go in with my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive to use as my glitter primer. Then right after, I'm going into my glitter called Secret. This is a mixed green color. You can get this glitter now with 3 other shades in one pack for $15 at Shop with Shodney on Instagram. Website is www.shopwithshodney.com. Right now, let's get into this face. I'm going right back in with that same Morphe concealer. I'm blending it out with a new sponge I had got from Juno. I had got this sponge completely free. Can't tell you guys how I did that. But then right after, I'm going to go in with the new Wet n Wild Banana Loose Setting Powder. All this chemistry, girl, when you freaking me, I can catch a vibe and feel your energy. I'll go deep inside, I got that remedy. Yeah. She all in my bed, she all in my head. I'm touching your soul. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. Can y'all believe that I actually put on some 25mm lashes today? Yeah, me neither. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Color Pop bronzer in the shade Bits and Pieces to bronze and warm up my face. She feeling the vibe.
I just need one night. I just wanna do you right. We don't need no eyes. I love it when you scream my name. And I ain't finna play.
Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Loose highlighter. I believe they have about 3 different shades, and I couldn't tell which one this was because I ripped the tag off. But this highlighter is so bomb. I wanted to switch it up with the products I usually use in my videos, and so far I'm so proud of myself because I love the things that I tried. So for my under eye, I went right back into that purple and that pink shade, Truth and Sexuality, and I blended that out. For my inner corner, I decided to go in with Liberation. This is that bright white shade it looks like in the pan, but on your face it looks more like a gold greenish color. So next I'm lining my lips, and you guys know I cannot stay away from this product. If you watch me, you already know what this is. This is the MY COSMETIC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Right after, I decided to go in with the Color Pop and A La Sarari collaboration liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 951. I think I found my new favorite nude. So right here, I was trying to figure out which gloss to go in with. I was going between the Bare Minerals lip gloss and the lip gloss I had got from Shop Miss A for $1. I had chose the bottom one, which was the Shop Miss A. This is by far my favorite lip gloss I have tried from all of the ones on their site. Alright y'all, that is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. I'm so glad I stepped out of my comfort zone and did a little extra. Don't forget to shop my glitters on my site, shopwithshodney.com. You get 4 glitters in 1 bundle. There is 5 different bundles to choose from, and each bundle is $15. I would appreciate if you guys can support a small business such as myself. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below telling me if you're feeling this look or not. It does not matter. You can give me constructive criticism. I accept it all. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Tell nobody, but I'm touching your skin. Rub you down in lotion. Your body's calling, and I'm here to listen. If it's 3 in the morning, just tell me if you want. I love it when you move, and I'm taking